guys, you know what time it is. It's pull time, man. I made this broth yesterday evening. I mean, so everything's all come together now. You know what I'm saying? The beef bone marrow, the brisket. I mean, everything, guys. The beef ribs, all that. So let's eat. Some black pepper, sriracha, hoisin, and of course, man, we got the kapit. Got some fresh pepper, got some okra to go over the kapit. Show y'all something, man. Homemade pickled garlic, guys. It's gonna be so good. Like I said, I got the shrimp, brisket, some beef short ribs. Y'all how fat it is, y'all. Of course, some meatball and all that. I was gonna do some chili oil, man, but not today, man. It's too early for that. I ain't trying to take a crap early in the morning at the gym. All right, guys, hit a little bit of bean sprout. Gotta dip that in like a beet. Fresh pepper, guys. Pickle garlic. Homemade, y'all. There, y'all. Sour. Perfect, man. Some tenders right there, guys. Some brisket right here. Look at that beef short ribs. Come on now. The tender. Alright, guys, I'm gonna finish the rest of my file. I got some beef short ribs in here, some beef tendons, some brisket, some meatball, and the beef bone marrow. Goes well with some fresh Thai chili and some pickled garlic right here, guys. That's homemade and complete.